Good morning, Pioneer. We got the news.
Today is Friday, October 25th, and it is a gray day.
Today, the geniuses of the kitchen have prepared taco salad, bean and cheese burrito, chicken on a bun, fruit and veggie options, and milk. NJHS students James Ramsey, Caleb Milligan, Jacob Hartle, and Braden Stemple all volunteered at the Christian Aid Center on October 16th. They cooked and served a full spaghetti meal to over 60 people.
Wait, 60 people?
Yes, 60 people. Whoa!
Speaking of that, the food drive buckets are full, which is amazing. However, it would be even more amazing if we could get 17 buckets full.
Oh, whoa.
So bring in all the canned food, all the non-perishable food items, bring them to the school, and get your homeroom a donut party.
Go raid that pantry of yours, unless your parents don't want you to raid that. Get your parents' permission to raid your pantry.
Parents' permission.
Parents' permission.
Bring the food.
Yes.
The sports news. 7th and 8th grade boys basketball has started. Practices are after school from 3:45 to 5:15. Registration is now open on Family ID. 6th grade boys basketball practice will start on Monday, November 4th. Practice will be from 3:45 to 5 o'clock in the multi-purpose room. Registration is also open on Family ID.
On Mondays from 3:30 to 5 in the library, Improv Club is going on. We also have Latino Club every other Wednesday from 2:30 to 3:30 in B26. Yep. We have the NASA the NASA Project.
The NASA product.
The NASA Project on Monday from 3:30 to 5:30 and Wednesday from 2:30 to 5:30. And we also have, in my personal opinion, the best Youth in Government on Tuesdays from 5:30 to 6:30, also in the library. These are all in the library except Latino Club, which is in B26. Yes, I will read it! Don't forget, there's no 21st Century programs on Monday and Tuesday next week. Fortney is gone. And now to you, Dwayne.
Hey Pioneer Middle School, this is Mr. Ludwig. Next week is Spirit Week. We have some great days lined up for you. On Monday, you get to wear your pajamas. Yes, all day long you get to be like you were in bed. On Tuesday, it's Twin Day. Yeah, you can pick someone that you feel is connected to your heart and soul and dress alike, be alike, do all kinds of good things together. It could also be triplets, quadruplets, quintuplets, sextuplets, septuplets, octuplets, and I don't even know, 9tuplets. Whatever it is, be together on Tuesday. Wednesday is Team Spirit Day. That's right, you can rock the colors of your favorite team no matter what it is. It could be the Seahawks. It could be the 49ers. It could be Washington State Cougars. But it may not be the University of Washington Huskies. Those are banned on that day, so please wear no purple and gold at all. Thank you. Hey, Thursday is Halloween, and Halloween is an all characters day. Fictional, non-fictional, you could be whatever character you want. You can make up a character. Unfortunately, we won't allow you to wear your masks while you're here at Pioneer Middle School, but you can save it for later that evening doing all your festivities. No masks. Friday, the day after Halloween, is going to be Flannel Friday. If you have flannel, wear it. A shirt, pants, socks, shoes, hat, gloves, anything cozy and flannelly. Now, some of you may not have flannel, and it's okay. You can use something with a pattern. Something with some kind of a pattern is okay to wear however you want to wear it.
It's me, Adon. I have this morning an announcement because I had pledge allegiance. Please stand for fly Sulu. Sulu Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which stands one nation under God, indivisible, liberty, justice for all.